This tutorial review will show you how to use text-to-speech on TikTok. TikTok text-to-speech allows creators to add an automated voice to read off captions written within the video, which helps the visual content stand out. So here's how to do TikTok voice over text. Open TikTok and tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. Choose to record or upload a video. Tap on done. Now select this text tool and write your caption. Tap on done. And then tap on your text and tap on text to speech.
Hello. Hello.
And here we can see I've successfully
Hello.
enabled the text to speech on my
Hello.
TikTok video. So that's how we can do it.
Hello.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River.
Hello.
See you in the next video.